With Ray's Landscaping, and this is the setup for 2019. Lawn service, landscape, hardscape, tree dropping, you name it. We got a 60-inch laser on the outside there. Beside that one, we got the 72-inch Laser Z, liquid cooled, and then we got the Bobcat T190. Nice machine, track machine. Then we got another 60-inch Laser Z X Series. Oh, and then we got the stump grinder, a Rayco stump grinder. And then we got what started it all, was the Quest 44-inch SP with the fabricated deck. Also have two of these accelerated backers. We have two of these commercial 30 mowers. And got so much stick equipment and stuff, I'm not even going to go through there. Weed eaters, blowers. These two saws right here are the Stihl 201T saws. No cheap saws. These are the 201T. And the BR 700 blowers, and then the 600 in the middle. Yeah. It's taken approximately 10 years to accumulate all of this equipment. Now, all of this equipment runs. Nothing is broke here in this video. All the broke stuff I didn't even put out. So we also have a 6x12 dump trailer, two lawn trailers with all the Green Touch racks on both of them. Quite impressive if you ask me.